Welcome back to Newswatch this evening. This is your Skywatch report. For the next week, we can expect to see cloudy conditions starting tomorrow, rain as well. I'll let you know how that times out, and then below average temperatures will continue over the next 5 to 6 days. As we look at radar right now, you can see we have clear skies, just like we've seen all day, so plenty of sunshine just ahead of sunset around 6:15 to 6:30. And then temperatures will cool off come this evening. Wind speeds right now, they're still coming from the west to northwest, but they're in the middle of a shift. They'll eventually start coming from the southeast as the overnight progresses, and then tomorrow we could see a little bit of a warmer influx of air coming out of the south. Now, as we look at area conditions right now, still seeing those sunny conditions. These are your temperatures. 62 degrees up in Decatur as well as Champaign. 61 is a cool spot up in Danville, and 66 is the warm spot down in Effingham. So plenty of sunshine today. However, that could change tomorrow. Futurecast starts to pick up a little bit of cloud activity as we head into the overnight hours around 3 to 4 a.m. You can see some chances of rain, but I'm not expecting much from this, mainly because it starts to really build up on the back end of the system, specifically in Vigo County, down in Robinson and Newton as well. So here in Coles County, I'm expecting us to stay fairly dry, maybe a drizzle in the morning, some around 6 p.m., but most of the heavy rain total, if any at all, are going to be in Vigo County for the most part. Otherwise, staying dry from Vermilion down into Christian County. Not expecting much from this system, only around 1/10 of an inch, 1/4 of an inch at most, but that would still be pushing it for as much rain totals as what I'm forecasting. Overnight tonight, though, temperatures are going to continue to decrease down to 38 degrees, and that's because we have mostly clear skies. We'll have some clouds move in around 4 a.m., and the reason why I'm saying mostly clear, even though they do move in around 4 a.m., majority of this evening will remain clear. Those winds not making much of an impact, even though they're coming from the southeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. They're just too calm to usher in that warm air, and they're still shifting. So once they finally shift come tomorrow morning, that's whenever we'll see temperatures a little bit warmer, just slightly above our average. Our average of this time of year is 69 degrees. At 9 a.m., we can expect to see those drizzles, mainly overcast skies here in Coles County. I'm expecting that majority of the light rain, and I mean light rain, around 9 a.m. to be up in Champaign. Starting off the day at 61 degrees. Mostly cloudy come noon, and that sun will pop out to say hello, but then it will go right back away around 3 p.m. We're back down in the 60s with overcast skies, and then more rain, the stronger chance of rain that's going to be down in Vigo County. That does come back around 6 p.m. We could see a slight chance of thunderstorms, but it just seems to be too cool for any of that. I can't rule out thunderstorms, but I'm not saying it's a strong chance for them tomorrow either. Futurecast for Wednesday as we head into Thursday around 11 p.m. on Wednesday. We could see some remnants of that cloud activity that we see tomorrow, but it's still going to be a fairly sunny day on Wednesday, even as we head in to Thursday around 7 a.m. It is going to be clear, so it's going to be yet another cool night. These are your average overnight temperatures for this time of year is around 45 degrees. We're below that for the first 3 days. Now, if you're wondering why it continues to increase, it's because we're in a transitional season, which is fall and spring. Since we're in fall, you're going to see a lot more roller coaster temperatures, back up to 59 for your overnight on Saturday. But don't worry, I'm not forecasting any 80 or 90 degree temperatures over the next week. We're going to stay fairly cool. Highest is going to be 74 on Monday. But as we look at these icons, it's fairly split between cloud activity and sunny conditions. We're down to 50 degrees on Wednesday. So it's going to be a cool day as a cold front moves through. But again, not expecting a whole lot of rain for tomorrow, specifically here in Coles County. We could see cooler conditions over the next 5 days before those above average temperatures return. Again, I said the average around this time of year is 69 degrees, and we're at 73.